Okay, so look at here. Question number 2A. If the covariance between x and y is 27, here covariance between x and y is directly given, that is 27, and the variance of x is 25. Okay, and the variance of x is 25, and the variance of y is 64. Find the Carl-Pearson's correlation coefficient. Okay, we have to find here Carl-Pearson's correlation coefficient. So let's write whatever is given, then we can easily find here. So what is given here? Let's write given. Here it is given covariance between x and y. Covariance between x and y. So write here covariance between x and y. Okay, this is denoted by COB, then x comma y. अब यसलाई डिनोट गर्ने तरिका के हो त? COB x comma y. COB x comma y. This is given here 27. Covariance between x and y, COB x comma y is equals to 27. This is given. Variance of x is given. Again, look at here. Variance of x. Variance of x. Okay, variance of x and variance x. This is equals to, we can write here 25. This is given 25. Okay, variance of x, VAR of x is equals to 25. Variance of y. Variance of y means variance of y. This is VAR of y is equals to, it is given here 64. Then we are asked to find here Carl-Pearson's correlation coefficient. We are asked to find here Carl-Pearson's correlation. Carl-Pearson correlation coefficient. Carl-Pearson correlation coefficient, that is R is equals to what? Okay, this is asked. R is equals to what? So we have direct formula. हामीले Carl-Pearson's correlation coefficient मै सबैभन्दा पहिले पढेकै formula, okay, यसमा use हुन्छ. That we are going to use here by formula. R is equals to COB of x comma y, means covariance between x and y. Covariance between x and y divided by square root variance of x, and then square root variance of y. Variance of x, variance of y. Okay, this is the formula to find the Carl-Pearson's correlation coefficient. Covariance between x and y divided by square root variance of x, then again square root variance of y. Put the values here. यसमा value put गर्दा covariance between x and y भनेको that is 27. So write here 27 divided by variance of x means this is square root 25, and square root variance of y means 64. So we can write here 27 divided by square root 25 means it is 5 into 8. So this is 27 divided by 40. Okay, we found here 27 divided by 40. Now let's divide. Okay, we found here 0.675. हामीलाई simply सोधेको मात्रै छ, find the Carl-Pearson's correlation coefficient, interpret the result भनेको छैन. Okay, त्यही भएर हामीलाई simply सोधेको यति नै हो. 0.675 नै यसको आन्सर हो. So you can write hence the Carl-Pearson's correlation coefficient is 0.675. Okay, let's write the conclusion. Hence the Carl-Pearson's correlation coefficient is 0.675. Okay, in this way, this question number 2A is completed. Okay, so you can see here in question number 2B, the coefficient of correlation between two variables x and y is 0.38. यो भनेको r हो. So we can write here coefficient of correlation r. Okay, coefficient of correlation given ma ke cha coefficient of correlation between x and y, भनेको r हो. This r is given here 0.38. r भनेको 0.38 छ. r is given here 0.38. their covariance भनेको covariance between x and y. Covariance between x and y भनेको COV x, y. COV x, y is equals to 10.2. Covariance between x and y भनेको 10.2. That is also given. Variance of x is also given. So we can write here variance of x. That is VAR of x is equals to 16. And we are asked to find the standard deviation of y series. Standard deviation of y series. Standard deviation of y series, that is sigma y is equals to what? Okay, sigma y is equals to what? अब यहाँ चाहिँ sigma y भनेको के हो हामी डाइरेक्टली लेखौं. Since sigma y is equals to square root VAR of y हो है यो. Since sigma y is equals to VAR square root VAR of y, this is equals to what? यही सोधेको हामीलाई. sigma y भनेको यो. अब हेरौं by formula, हामीले फर्मुला अघि भर्खरै युज गरेको फर्मुला हो. by formula r is equals to COV of x, y भनेको covariance between x and y divided by square root VAR of x, then square root VAR of y. यही फर्मुला युज गर्ने हो. अब यही कुरालाई हामीले यो फर्मुलालाई कसरी मोडिफाई गर्न सक्छौं? Or we can write here r is equals to COV of x, y divided by यो भनेको VAR of x यो गिवन छ इन्टु यसलाई हामीले के लेख्न मिल्छ भन्दा सिग्मा y लेख्न मिल्छ डाइरेक्टली. किन भन्दा सिग्मा y is equals to square root variance of y हो. त्यही भएर हामीले डाइरेक्टली सिग्मा y नै लेखौं. किन भन्दा we have to find the value for sigma y. Standard deviation of y series find out गर्नु छ. त्यही भएर हामीले डाइरेक्टली यसरी लेख्यौं है. अब भ्यालु पुट गरौं. सबै भ्यालु त हामीलाई थाहा छदै छ. So we can write here r means r is 0.38. r is 0.38. This is equals to covariance between x and y भनेको चाहिँ 10.2 हो. 10.2 divided by square root variance of x is 16. Then into sigma y जसको भ्यालु हामीले फाइन्ड आउट गर्नुपर्ने छ. सिग्मा y को भ्यालु फाइन्ड आउट गर्नुपर्ने छ. or 0.38 is equals to 10.2 divided by root 16 को भ्यालु हुन्छ 4. 4 यो के भयो त sigma y. 4 sigma y. Okay, अब sigma y लाई let's take on the left hand side. 0.38 लाई right hand side मा ल्याऊ है. Okay, what will get? The sigma y लाई हामीले left hand side मा ल्यायौं र अब 0.38 लाई right hand side मा ल्याउँदा 10.2 divided by 4 into 0.38 हुन्छ. So this 10.2 divided by 4 into 0.38 भनेको 6.71. Okay, we found here 6.71. र आन्सर पनि यही हो. Find the standard deviation of the y series भनेको छ. And the standard deviation of the y series, is 6.71. Okay, so this is the answer. यही हो. र हाम्रो conclusion यही हो. Okay, so this is the conclusion. As the standard deviation of the y series is 6.71 है. Standard deviation directly given भएको हुनाले हामीले के गर्न मिल्छ भन्दा r is equals to COV of x, y अनि divided by sigma x into sigma y. 6 यहाँ 6 राख्नु पर्यो. सिग्मा एस भनेको 2.45 into 2.61 ल 6 divided by अब यो गरिदिउँ यसमा हामीलाई के आयो भन्दा 6.3945 आयो यसलाई डिभाइड गरिदिउँ 0.938 यही हो यसको आन्सर कोभ्यारिएन्स बिट्विन एक्स एन्ड वाइ सिग्मा एक्स र सिग्मा वाइ हुने बित्तिकै आइहाल्छ हैन सोधेकै त्यही छ कोरिलेसन कोएफिसिएन्ट बिट्विन एक्स एन्ड वाइ भनेर सोधेको छ त्यसको लागि त हामीले सिम्पली यति फर्मुला युज गर्दा आइहाल्यो त्यही भएर त्यो एन भनेको 5 पेयर्स अफ अब्जर्भेसन त्यतिकै गिभन हो है त्यसको यहाँ युज छैन त्यो हामीले डाइरेक्टली त्यो बिना नै हामीले आर को भ्यालु फाइन्ड आउट गर्न सक्छौं ओके सो इन दिस वे दिस क्वेशन नम्बर 2C I hope you understood. Question number 2D. From the following data, calculate Karl Pearson correlation coefficient and interpret the result. All the things are given here. N is equals to 6, summation x is equals to 160, summation x square is equals to 4,480, summation y 116, summation y square 2,462, summation xy is 3,275. यो त मैले क्वेशन कपी गरे क्वेशन कपी हामीले जनरली क्वेशन त कपी गर्नु पर्दैन जसको लागि हामीले गिवन भनेर लेख्नु पर्यो ओके वी हैव टु राइट हियर गिवन खास यो कुराहरु गिवनमा लेख्नु पर्ने हो गिवनमा n is equals to 6 summation x is equals to 160 summation x square is equals to 4,480 summation y is equals to 116 summation y square is equals to 2,462 अनि हामीलाई समेसन xy पनि गिवन छ दिस इज 3,275 र हामीलाई सोधेको छ कार्ल पियर्सन कोरिलेसन कोएफिसिएन्ट कार्ल पियर्सन कोरिलेसन कोएफिसिएन्ट r is equals to what अब हामीलाई त यति कुराहरु थाहा छ भने ओके वी नो द फर्मुला हामीसँग डाइरेक्ट फर्मुला छ r को लागि by formula अब यो कार्ल पियर्सन कोरिलेसन कोएफिसिएन्ट को फर्मुला लेट्स राइट हियर r is equals to मैले भनेको थिए भाग 1 फर्मुला सम्झिनु पर्यो n summation xy minus summation x into summation y then divided by square root n summation x square minus summation x को whole square okay then again square root and summation y square then minus summation y ko whole square. So this formula we have to remember to find the Karl Pearson correlation coefficient. This is the formula. R is equals to n summation xy minus summation x into summation y divided by square root and summation x square minus summation x whole square then another square root and summation y square minus summation y को whole square. Okay, lo, यति थाहा भयो भने त अब हामी just let's put the values. Okay, this is equals to what we can write n भनेको 6 into summation xy is 3,275 minus summation x into summation y summation x भनेको 160 into summation y भनेको 116 then divided by square root भित्र n भनेको again we can write here 6 into summation x square भनेको 4,480 then minus summation x को whole square summation x भनेको 160 को square 160 को square then square root okay then square root another n भनेको 6 into summation y square भनेको 2,462 then minus summation y को whole square भनेको 116 okay whole square. Now let's make the calculation. अब हामीले यहाँ मल्टिप्लाई गर्दै लेख्नु पर्यो 6 into 3,275 भनेको 19,650 minus 160 into 116 18,560 then divided by square root 6 into 4480. 6 into 4480 268. 26880 minus 160 को square 160 को square 25600. 25600. Okay, then another square root भित्रको calculation गरौँ. 6 into 2462 14,700 14,772 minus 116 को square गरौँ. We'll get here 13,456. 13,456. 1090. This is 1090 divided by you minus गरौँ 26880 minus 25600 गर्दा 1280. Here also 1280 and this one another square root भित्रको कुरा हेरौँ 14,772 minus 13,456 गर्दा will get 1316. Okay, so we got here 1090 divided by also 1297.875. Okay, answer divided by 1090 divided by 1297.875 garda we got here 0.839 over 8. Okay, so this is the answer. Your answer यो चाहिँ कार्ल पियर्सन कोरिलेसन कोएफिसिएन्ट r को भ्यालु आइसक्यो. हामीले सोधेको थियो क्याल्कुलेट द कार्ल पियर्सन कोरिलेसन कोएफिसिएन्ट भनेको छ. दिस इज द भ्यालु है. यो 0.8398 भनेको दिस इज द आन्सर. अब इन्टरप्रेट द रिजल्ट भनेको छ. अब यसलाई के लेखौं त? Hence the कार्ल पियर्सन correlation coefficient is 0.8398. अब इन्टरप्रेट द रिजल्ट भनेको छ. रिजल्टलाई इन्टरप्रेट भनेको के हो त? यो 1 को नजिक छ. दिस इज क्लोजर टु 1. सो देयर इज हाई डिग्री अफ पोजिटिभ कोरिलेसन बिट्विन द भेरिएबल्स. ओके, यहाँ लेख्नु पर्छ इन्टरप्रेट द रिजल्ट भनेको के हो? since the value of r is closer to 1, so there is high degree of positive correlation between the variables x and y. Okay, so in this way we interpret the result also. यो result लाई हामीले interpret गर्यौं है त. किनभने since the value of r is closer to 1 को नजिक भएको हुनाले so there is high degree of positive correlation between the variables x and y. Okay, so in this way question number this today is completed.